Hello and welcome back again. This is Waleed with you from WasNet with yet another episode of roasting and critiquing website. Today we are actually looking at this website from Dar Engineering, which I believe has not been reviewed or been looked at for a very long time. So what we can actually suggest them is this template from nicepage.com. Okay, and this is a one pager website, and here of course you can showcase and highlight your success stories, your industry, the ins and outs of the industry, and what actually went into the project, how this industry works, and what are the services an engineering company can actually offer. Speaking of engineering companies or any other website, what is important is that how you connect with your viewer, with your visitor to your website. If your website is rigid and it doesn't let off any information about your organization, if it is not mirroring your affairs and how your company works and who is who in your company, then that website is of no use. It's just a rubber stamp or a placeholder for your company. A placeholder doesn't get business. To get business, you have to come down to the personal level of your visitor, of your website viewer and user. You have to give them the user experience. That is more important when it comes to building a website. For an engineering company, the aesthetics, let me tell you that the aesthetics are very easy. What you actually need to showcase, okay, you have to showcase what? The what's of the industry. That could be construction, that could be maintenance, that could be HVAC, that could be heavy machinery, okay. So how is this industry made? Hows and what's are very important because people are actually looking for this stuff. So if you really want to bring in new business and new clients, you have to show what is the depth of your knowledge of your industry and the industry around it, because when you're working in industry, in the construction industry, the cement industry is there, the iron industry, the steel industry, the brick industry, the interior design, the facade, the furnishings, the paint, and what else? Everything, the woodwork, the doors, the wall hangings, everything is there. So I've actually enumerated so many factors and so many sub-industries that are associated with this industry. And if you talk about industrial industries, of course, the number will eventually grow. And when you have such big knowledge base that is showcased on your website, people will actually keep you in awe, in respect that yes, this company carries a lot of knowledge, a lot of exposure and experience, and that matters. That carries a certain weightage, a leverage for you to get new business, new inquiries. Okay, and sharing more knowledge, sharing and building your social more powerfully will actually get you new business. So this is the template from nicepage.com. uh, the link of this will be shared in the video, and of course we'll be sharing our affiliate link through which we'll be getting our commissions, which is of course this is our right because we're sharing some of the best website creating companies that we have. Okay, the other parts of this website where you can actually go into detail are these minimalist type text and design ideas. Of course you can change these pictures, that's up to you, but of course when you keep your text very minimal, that's the best thing, that's the best measure, because you keep your audience intrigued and glued, and they'll come back to your website again and again because you'll be sharing knowledge. So knowledge has to be shared smartly, not that you have to stuff all the content in one place. No, that's not going to work, because text is not your salesman. Your sales is basically the aesthetic, the mindset, the understanding, the thought process of your industry, the people who actually make those industry work and drive that industry. It's the people. If you tap the mental energies of those people in those industries, okay, then of course your website will have more weightage, more leverage, and more meaning. So this is how you can actually use this template, and this is a drag and drop templates. You can design these websites using this template without any coding, because this is the beauty of Nicepage, that you can build your own website without actually hiring any expensive coders, and you can, your IT back office team can build this website. But of course, when it comes to actually putting in the stories and contests, and make sure that you are not using such pictures, because these pictures actually give a wrong message. I mean, that gives a very cheap impression. You don't have to go cheap when you're actually dealing with construction company, right? So this is a one pager website, and how to actually make this website is very easy. I go to this website builder, and website builder is basically a downloadable app that you can download on your desktop, on your computer, and after that is all just drag and drop. You build your own website with your own stories, success stories, about us, and everything, but keep it simple. It's already there, the help is there. Make sure you click the link will be there. You can see for yourself, there are many templates, 15,000 templates. Okay, you can build your own websites, and you can also adjust everything, the color, the design, the underline uh, theme, okay, the color that you want to theme, you want to pick for your website. It's all there. It's already, the collateral, the creatives are all ready. It's up to you. The best of you will be there when you have your own website builder. So you can download and install the application for Windows, Mac, and anything actually. And of course, there you can go, you can then start building and launch your own website without hiring any external resources. And if you need resources, of course, we'll be there. We are experts in this industry for quite a long time, and we know how to actually attract that kind of an audience to your website, so they actually pick up the phone and start speaking with you. That is basically the baseline idea, the purpose, the vision of the website. If you deliver the vision, the purpose, of course you get leads. You get leads from your region, from your authority, from your locality, from the place far away from your office. Then of course that carries that meanings actually, that meaning of your business actually goes very far, goes beyond our expectations, and that's how we have to build the website, foreseeing how the future of the website should be, and how it will be growing, and how your business will be aligned, or that website will be aligned with your business. So that is how this is a facility for you that you can engage and employ by not actually going into many difficult and complex theories and elements and expertise. You can actually go and build your own website, because building a website is not your primary business. So the elements, so the resources are there. You can actually employ that. It's auto mode that you can see over here. It's drag and drop. Feel free, see what themes and templates that appeal to your website and align with your business vision, and make sure it is aesthetically built. By aesthetic, I mean it carries a business purpose, but on a very personal level. That's a website. You actually talk to your viewers, visitors, and customers. It's not a help desk. Of course, it's a help desk, but with a personal touch. You just don't leave the website out there in the desert to do business for you, because your website is not a salesman. It pulls the audience and brings to your sales department. That's a website. Thank you very much for now. Like and subscribe this channel if you found this content and today's episode very helpful. Do share it and like our video. We'll be back again. Have a very great day ahead. Bye bye.